I get a lot of questions on, can you eat grass? Yes, there are over 400 different species of grass and they're all edible. Question, is it worth eating grass? The answer is no. Why? Well, your body's not made to break grass down. Your body is not made to break down the cellulose and that in the grass. Now, a cow or a horse eats grass. Well, let's go with a cow, okay? Cow eats grass and it has enzymes and bacteria in its stomach that break down the grass. It actually ferments in the cow's stomach. So the cow chews the grass, drops it into its stomach, actually brings it back out, chews it some more. That's called chewing its cud. And it slowly ferments and breaks down by constant grinding to break down the cellulose and absorb the nutrients from the grass that way. Obviously, your body isn't made for that. You don't have those bacteria and stuff in your body to do it. So, can you eat grass? Yes. Will you get enough out of grass to make it worthwhile? No. Now, in Ireland, in the potato famine time, people were found dead with green grass stains around their mouths. What had happened was they got to the point where if you were in a survival situation and you couldn't find anything else to eat, you'd be eating anything you could. It doesn't have enough nutrients to sustain you. That's the problem. It'll fill your belly, but it doesn't have nutrients to actually sustain you. Kind of like rabbit starvation. Okay, you can eat rabbit, but it's too lean, doesn't have enough fat in its body. You'll starve to death, basically, still eating meat. Well, grass is that way. You can't break it down. It's very fibrous and will fill you up, but also clog you up because of the fiber content. So you have to be careful with that. Now, some people do put wheatgrass and other grasses into smoothies, and they blend the heck out of it and they drink it, but they don't use a whole lot of it. And you do get some benefits from grass, but it's not enough to just have a grass diet or go out and make salads out of grass, that kind of thing. It's a useless meal, really. You'll get some benefits, but not enough to make it worthwhile. So, eating grass, not so great. Another example would be in World War II. People overseas in Europe and concentration camps and other places would eat grass because they couldn't get enough food to sustain them. It would fill their bellies, but they wouldn't have enough food in themselves to keep themselves alive, not enough nutrients to keep yourself alive. So, can you eat grass? Yes. Would I eat grass? Well, yeah, if you're hungry and you want to fill your belly, but you won't get the benefit out of it. It'll just clog you up and you'll have other problems. It causes a lot of gas because your body starts to ferment. Your body can't get rid of it. It passes it through, things like that. So, that's the idea on eating grass, and I hope that helps you out some. Excuse me. No, big train coming through. All right, I'll catch you all on the next one.